What's up, guys? Today I have another niche for you. So it's a really good one. So this is the mythological creatures coloring book. So this is the mythological creatures coloring book. So this is a really good niche, and I'll show you how you can get this for free. All the keywords, all the good stuff at the end of this video. So it only has 952 results, guys. So anything less than 1000 is really good. And I also use keywords everywhere tool for this. As you can see, it shows me the search volume, the monthly search volume. Let me show you the covers and the rest of the ranks here. As you can see, this is done by, I'll show you how you can do the covers also. So as you can see, very nice covers here. Very nice covers. You can do this with Midjourney, and I'll show you another tool how you can do this for free. So let me show you how much people are making here. So one book is making $14,424, $1,000. I'm using KDSpy here if you want. So it's not popular, but it's still a really good niche if you want to get into that. So let me show you how I came up with this niche. So I got this Chrome extension on KDPrank, right? Just go to kdprank.com if you want this Chrome extension. It will show you all the keywords and their search volume with their ranking and such. So you just go to kdprank.com just to download your free Chrome extension. Yeah, it will also help you if you are an Amazon FBA seller. Just free Chrome extension, you just put it on Chrome and it will show you. So after you signed up for this tool, signed up for free, this is kdprank.com. So you go to the tools and you go to keywords and you just press magnet. So by the way, you just sign up here for free and you get this access to this tool. So as you can see, they have a magnet tool. So I just searched for adult coloring book and just press search, and as you can see, it has many results, many niches, many results. So as you can see, there are many adult themed coloring books for adults, obviously. So as you can see, at the top of the page, I found my niche for today. As you can see, let me just go back here. So as you can see, the mythological creatures coloring book, it shows me the impact ID score, this is mythological, the impact ID score, the search volume, number of competing products, and the search volume trend. So you can view this all for free. So it's a really great tool. So for the interiors of the page, you just go to kdpdownload.com and search for it. Unfortunately, I found only one book, but you can create this with AI, guys. It's an AI world, artificial intelligence. So you just try now this for free, or you can go to Midjourney and it will create you interiors and covers if you want. So let me show you. This is an AI tool, by the way. This is kdpdownload.com, right? So you can just type in whatever you want and you just ignite it. It will create you all the covers and the interiors with. So you can go ahead and check it, or you can do this for free using Midjourney. I have uploaded videos about that before. So finally, go to kdptips.com to download your free bestsellers guide, guys. I wrote this book and I'm sharing it for free. Just go to kdptips.com and download this. So download this interior, guys. Download this Chrome extension. Have fun with it. Use Midjourney to create your book covers and interiors and make money as much as you want. So this is a niche, guys. Have fun with this one, and I'll see you on Monday.